Are you wondering what kind of battery the G-Shock GBA-950 actually uses? So when it comes to battery, this watch actually uses battery with model number CR2025, and this actually is fairly standard battery that basically on most G-Shocks you will be able to use. And this is what the battery actually looks like on these watches. So you see, it's actually quite beefy. So when also you're changing your battery, also if you actually want to keep the original waterproof rating on this watch, you should also purchase like a seal, basically, so the rubber gasket, so you can easily purchase on these watches, so they do not cost very much. If you reuse your original, basically the rubber gasket actually goes under, you might actually lose the original waterproof rating on this watch. So if you're using it for diving, definitely you should also replace it. So you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. It uses regular Phillips here, so probably Phillips 1, probably so the tiniest one, and yeah, unscrew it, and it's obviously very easy to change. When it comes to the batteries, you should make sure the battery you're purchasing actually is from a decent brand. So if you see one of these are usually very good. Usually a lot of Casio watch even come with Sony batteries inside, so also Renato batteries also are actually fairly decent on these. If you're wondering about the battery life on this, so you see in the specs it claims to get around 2 years of battery life, and here are basically the how much you could use to get that 2 years. But in real life, basically with also my past experience with the G-Shock watches with a step counter and that uses this battery, if you also use a Bluetooth, obviously I think they can last a bit over 1 year. So if you already basically so also obviously this battery life will depend on also how long basically this watch has been sitting in the shop before you purchase it. So if it has been produced already like a year ago, and if it has been running inside this box already for a year, then obviously the battery life won't be 2 years on the watch. Anyway, good luck.